I am out here early in the morning. I think you can see it over there, 6:35. Do some early morning fishing. Fucking crazy. I am usually not up this. I'm a night person. A night owl, as they say. Ooh. Damn. I was really thinking I was gonna go home empty-handed. 100% thought I was. Well, one fish is better than no fish. I was like, oh fuck, I'm not catching any fish. I guess I'll walk down the bank, this whole bank, see if I can catch anything. And I guess that was a good plan.